Hi! Welcome to TOYZONE'S Product Features and Assembly Series. Congratulations on your purchase of TOYZONE'S Luxury Pocket Stroller, the true childhood companion. Structure built from strong and sturdy, yet lightweight aluminum frame. Please read the instruction manual carefully enclosed in the box. Start the assembly operation by loosening the folding hook on one side of the stroller, then hold the handle and pull the stroller upward. You can see stroller is in its total unopened condition. We can set the direction of universal front wheel as per convenient by pressing the direction set button. The knob at rear wheel works as a rear wheel brake. You can lock and unlock the rear wheel brake by turning it upside down. Pull the sunshed umbrella forward and adjust the shed area as per requirement. Now fix the armrest handle by sliding it inside the armrest socket both sides. The footrest can be adjusted by pressing and sliding the knobs both sides till you get the most comfortable position of your kid. To adjust the backrest, please slide the fiber belt with one hand till the most comfortable position you will get. We can unbuckle safety belt by pressing big center button. Folding of this luxury stroller is super quick and easy in just 2 steps. Open the handle lock by pressing and sliding the one-key stroller folding button and slide the second lock towards the arrow direction. Then press the frame downwards, the stroller in compact position. We are done with assembly. Enjoy the fun time with your kid. Thanks for choosing TOYZONE. Visit our website for more products with exclusive offers.